Hi, this is Amber with Nissan of Cool Springs. We'd like to welcome all of our online car shoppers. Thanks for taking a moment to watch our video. We hope that it's helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we are looking at a beautiful, like-new 2017 Maxima Platinum. It has around 8,000 miles and is still under factory warranty. This vehicle is nicely equipped. External features include fog lamps, alloy wheels, and remote start. As we look inside, you'll see a dual moonroof and a charcoal leather interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats and second row seating with plenty of room for 3 passengers. Now, as we look up front, you'll notice a Bose premium audio system with SiriusXM radio along with hands-free Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Plus, it has steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, push-button start, GPS navigation, backup camera, and more. Call us at 615-224-8314 to set up a time for your test drive. We'll see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty.